All right, look, man. This is my last time making a roast and showing y'all how to do it, all right? It's simple. You stab it up. You use corn oil, not too much of it. And you put garlic pepper, and you can put whatever seasoning you want on the roast, okay? And then you put canola oil on the potatoes, all right? And then you could just sprinkle the seasoning on the potatoes. So it's my last time doing this shit, bro. Last time. That's how you do a roast.